Hello everyone, good morning. So today we have successfully done the trade for 2%, and I believe you people can see it on the screen on the chart where I have got executed and exited from the trade. And let me show you the details specifically. So, so here it is. I have got entered at 184 around and got exit at 190. So this is our successful trade for the day. And if I go into the orders, you can see at what time that I have executed, and we have started executing trade around 9:20, and we are done within 7 to 8 minutes, I can say around. So this is what we used to do a daily basis, only one trade a day, and so far we have achieved around 30 percentage of capital within 22 days of trading with one stop loss. So if you people want to know more details on this, and I'm planning to implement a bot also on the same, and I'm just doing a kind of a test on this for a few more days with the live session also there, with session also I'm supporting. So if you people want to know more details, please connect with me or join the group. And always I'm posting the recordings and session details in the WhatsApp group. So please get in touch with that. And thank you so much. Now have a great day.